Hey, Spirit Scholars. So I have a quick little jewelry cleaning video that I'm gonna do for you guys. So hopefully you can see this. Okay, and as you can see, this jewelry is quite tarnished. Right now it's quite tangled. It's quite tarnished. I haven't worn some of these in a while. And I was instructed by Spirit yesterday to wear them for the sound, the blessing of the sound. And I did, and it made a huge difference in the uplifting of my spirit yesterday. But I noticed, even before I put them on, that because they haven't been worn and cleaned in quite some time, they were quite tarnished. So I'm gonna put them on this white paper towel so that you can really see the contrast. All right, this one is bronze and these are real silver. So I watched a few videos and they said put a glass dish, aluminum foil, and then some boiling water, and that's really all you have to do. For some reason, I don't want to do that. So what I did, oh, it's a baking soda. That's like the key ingredient. So in order to clean this silver, I'm going to use this method. I wanted to use this cream of tartar. So I actually put this into a pan along with some kosher salt. And the reason why I'm using salt is because when I wear my bangles, it's not just for decoration. It's to minister to me through sound. So this kosher salt I'm using intentionally because these bangles bless me by their sound. So I'll get into that in another video, but I'm using the kosher salt, the cream of tartar. I'm actually going to take some aluminum foil and just cut a little bit of it. And I'm going to put this in the water because the aluminum foil is going to be used as a conductor to attract the tarnish off of the silver. And just for good measure, I'm going to use a little baking soda. Okay. I'm going to put all the silver into the and some of the bronze. I'll put these in there just to see because some people did want to know if costume jewelry could go in there. And these don't mean a lot to me, so I'll just go ahead and put that in there. If you look at this, you can already see the bubbles with the silver interacting with the chemicals that are already in there. And I'm actually going to heat this, but it's already reacting. Can you see that, son? Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's already reacting. So that's really cool, right? We love busying with nature and chemicals and stuff like that in here. So that's super cool. Already reacting, already cleaning that jewelry. But I'm going to add heat. So here we go. All right. And I'm going to set my timer for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to come back with the jewelry. All right. So we're going to try this. Ooh, and it stinks. Yikes. It is hot. Okay. Ooh, it stinks. That is weird that it stinks. Smells like sulfur, I guess. Something like that. Well, that's weird. Wasn't expecting that smell. Just gonna rinse it. Was not expecting that sulfuric smell. I'm gonna rinse. Alright, we're gonna go over here. And we're gonna take, let's see. Oh, I can already see the difference. Wow. Let's take one that was significantly. Oh, I can see the difference major. I can already see the major difference. Look at that. I totally see a difference. Look at that. Total difference. Total difference now. So there we have it. Nice and cleaned up. These are the ones that you can really see such a big difference. This one. Oh, this one is, you guys are gonna see a big difference. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Big difference. Big difference on the before and afters. Big difference. Big difference. Okay, so that's it.